Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix MEETO app scroll down problem issue. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click settings, click apps, click app management, find MEETO app. Click MEETO app, click storage use, then click clear data. Click back, then click about. Click storage, then click clean up. After complete scanning, click clean, then restart your phone. After restarting, then open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type MEETO app. Click MEETO app. If you get any update, please update. Open MEETO app, then log in your account. If your problem is not resolved after following all the steps, then understand that the server is down now. Try after few hours, it will be fine. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.